Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting the correct files and a reliable USB. This is crucial because corrupted media breaks updates. Once you have the PA600 OS and style package on a FAT32 USB, power the keyboard from its adapter and charge the internal battery. Make sure you back up your user DB and any custom styles to that same USB. That backup protects your work in case the update resets settings. Now, insert the USB into the PA600 and go to Media Mode to locate the update file. You'll select the update file from the Media File Manager and confirm installation. This step writes firmware to internal memory, so proceed carefully. Once you start, the PA600 will copy files and display progress. Keep it powered and avoid USB removal because interruption can brick the board. During the process, you may see multiple automatic restarts. That's normal as the system replaces modules and updates the sound engine. If asked to import new styles or presets, choose appropriately and let the instrument complete final initialization. After the update finishes and the PA600 boots, verify OS version in System Info and test key voices and styles to ensure everything functions. If some user data is missing, use Media Restore to reload your backup. This returns your custom settings without redoing the whole update. If the update fails or shows errors, re-download the package, reformat the USB to FAT32, and try again. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember that resets erase user data, so back up first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.